Welcome to another edition of diverrecon. I'm Brian Smith.
And I'm Pat Marshall.
And today we're at Day Island. And what do we have down here at Day Island, Pat?
Day Island, we have some playful wolf eels, we have some giant Pacific octopus, and who knows what else we'll run into.
And hopefully we'll get some of that footage on film. Let's go check it out. So we did our wall dive. Our maximum depth was
82 feet.
82 feet. That was a hell of a wall. I hope that turned out.
Oh yeah. Big wall.
Depth, darkness, just over the ledge, total darkness. We leapt into it.
The wall starts in about 60 feet of water. Drops down to the first ledge.
100 yards out. A little bit of a swim out there before we could see the darkness. And then we dropped down 60 feet, as you said, and the first ledge was at 83 feet. And from there we kind of maintained at 70 feet. And then we came up to 60, just to the top of the wall. And that's where we ran into our eel.
That's where we ran into our friend.
Our nice big wolf eel, nice huge head on him.
See me feeding him in it.
Throwing him some tofurkey dogs.
Gotta have healthy food for him.
Good dive.
Good dive.
All right.
All right. Be sure to tune in next week for another thrilling underwater adventure on diverrecon.
diverrecon.